12% of the people dream in black and white. According to psychology, too all in dreams can be a warning sign. Our body receives external sounds or energy when we are in dreams, while making them a part of the dream. When you hear a sound outside, you will hear it in your dream as well. According to psychology, we can walk in our dream. While dreaming, just look down, you will most probably be floating or flying. In your dream, if you look at people closely, you will find disintegrated blood and weird expressions on people's faces. The people in your dream miss eyebrow. This is because dreams are world created by our minds. According to psychology, it's quite creepy, but you can dream in a dream and it's actually possible. According to psychology, it is possible to dream the future. The colder your house is, the worse your dreams will be. The reason you wake up after dying in a dream is because your brain doesn't know what happens after death. According to psychology, people who stay up late at night are the people who most likely to have dark dreams and nightmares. Psychology says we cannot read or tell time while dreaming. According to psychology, our mind is more active while we are dreaming than when we are awake. Sometimes you can control your dreams, and this is called lucid dreaming. Dreams reveal feelings that we have repressed or hidden because dreams are a reflection of our unconscious mind. Men and women have different dreams. Men usually have comparatively aggressive dreams, while women have temperatively emotional dreams. People who have grown up watching black and white TV tend to have black and white dreams. According to psychology, you're paralyzed when you're dreaming. Studies suggest that it is not possible to snore and dream at the same time. Psychology says a person suffering from a personality disorder lacks dreaming. Psychology says animals dream too. You're less likely to remember a dream if your alarm jolts you awake. A study had suggested you rarely see your lover in your dream. A lot of people claim that they don't dream. That's untrue. Everybody dreams, but 60% of people forget their dreams completely. A person who is trying to quit smoking gets longer and more intense dreams. Researchers are trying to discover new ways so that we can actually record out dreams. According to psychology, every dream has a meaning.